Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Mall Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics. And today in the Unit 13 Surface Area and Volume, we will see solutions of the exercise 13.2. In the previous module, dear students, you have seen how to find the lateral surface area, that is curved surface area of cube and cuboid. And today we will see the problems which are based on the formulas. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. It is simple here, dear students. We have to first write down what is given and then use the formula which we have to be find out. So here we have to find out CSA of cylinder. Its formula is 2 pi r h. H is given and the surface area is given. Substitute the value, calculate the r. By calculating you will get r equals to 1. Now here the diameter is asked, so diameter is double of radius. So 1 multiplied by 2 means 2 cm is the diameter. Same way we have to solve all the questions. First we have to see what is given and then what is asked. According to that we have to use the formula, substitute the value and calculate the answer. The question makes easy. So here again in the second question, if you will see, height is given, base diameter is given, and we have to find out how many square meter sheet of required for the same. Now it is a cylinder, so we have to use total surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r h plus r. H is 1 meter, r is not given, diameter is given, so d by 2 means radius, that is 70 centimeter, but as height is in meter, we have to calculate and convert this 70 centimeter into meter. Also in the question square meters of sheet is asked, so we all have to calculate in meter only. So substitute the value in the formula, calculate it, you will get the answer as 7.48 meter square of sheet is required. Now here a metal pipe of 77 centimeter long means H is given as 77 centimeter. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. We have to find out its inner CSA, outer CSA and total surface area. Now first we will write down H, that is height 77 centimeter. Outer radius is 4.4. So it is 4.4 upon 2. Diameter is 4.4. So it is radius is, we will write it as capital R because two radius are given here, inner and outer. So it is 2.2 centimeter. Inner radius is 4 centimeter. So diameter is 4 centimeter. So 4 upon 2, that is 2 centimeter. Now inner curved surface area means we have to use small r, that is 2 pi r h. Substitute the value. The answer is 968 centimeter square. Outer CSA is 2 pi capital R H. Substitute the value. Its value is calculated. You will get 1064.80 centimeter square. Now to find out the total surface area of the pipe, as it is a hollow cylinder, what we have to do? Inner cut surface area plus outer plus area of the two base rings. So that how you will calculate? We will calculate by the area of circle, outer circle minus inner circle. If you are reminding it, in the standard 7th we have seen area of the path. So in the same way we have to calculate the area of the two base rings. So outer area minus inner area. Area of the circle is pi r square. But as it is two rings are there, top and base. So what we will have to do? 2 pi is common, r square plus inner surface CSA, outer CSA. So all these values you have to substitute here to get the answer as 2038.08 centimeter square. Now here the diameter of the roller, have you seen the roller? It is in cylindrical shape. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a ground. One revolution means it covers the one CSA. So 5000 revolution means it covers 500 revolution means 500 into CSA of the roller. So we have to find out the area of the playground in meter square, but everything is centimeter given in centimeter. So first we will calculate and then we will convert it into meter square, or first you convert and then you calculate in meter square only. You will get the same answer. Now radius of the roller is 84 upon 2, that is 42 centimeter. Length of the roller is 120 centimeter. So CS the roller is what? 2 pi RH. Substitute the value. You will get 31,680. It is the CSA of one revolution, means area covered by the roller in one revolution is the CSA of the roller, and the total revolutions are 100. So what we will do to calculate the total area? We will multiply CSA multiply by 500. So this answer is given. Now we have to find out in meter square. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So we will divide, as it is a centimeter square means cent into centimeter, that is 100 into 100. So we have to divide it by 100 into 100. So the answer is 1584 meters square is the area of the playground. See here, very easy question it is. Diameter is given, height is given. We have to find out the cost of CSA of the pillar. So what we will do? Use the formula for CSA of the pillar and then multiply it by the rate, that is 12.50. Diameter is given. Radius can be calculated by dividing it by 2. So it is 25 centimeter, but it is in meter. So 0.25, that is divided by 100. So it gives you 0.25 meter. Height is 3.5 meter. Already it is in meter. CSA of the pillar is 2 pi RH. Substitute the values. The answer is 5.5 meter square. 1 meter square cost of painting is rupees 12.50. So total cost of painting the CSA of pillar is 12.50 into area CSA, that is 5.5. So in this way, dear student, the lesson is very easy. What you have to do, you have to only learn the formulas. If you know the formula, you can calculate any type of question, because everything is given here. Only you have to write the formula and then substitute the values to get the correct answer with the proper calculation and correct calculation. Here again see the sixth question. CSA is given, radius is given, you have to find h. So what we will do? We will use the formula for CSA of the cone, 2 pi RH. We know the pi, we know the radius. What we have to do? Find out the height, that equals to 1 meter. So in this way, the easy way, first learn all the formulas and then substitute the value, use the formula, substitute the values and calculate correctly and find the answers. See here, the inner diameter of the circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Deep means it is the height. Find its inner surface area, cut surface area. We have already solved this type of question in the pillar ring. The cost of plastering this CSA at the rate of rupees 40 meter square. Again the easy one. First you have to find out the inner CSA and then multiply it with by the rate, that is cost of plastering, to get the total cost of plastering the CSA of the well. Eighth question, see here. Hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and the diameter 5 centimeter. We have to find the total radiating surface in the system. Now total radiating system means we have to consider it as a total surface area of the cylinder. Now find out the R, diameter is given, convert it into meter. Then h is given, value of pi we know. Write down the formula 2 pi r h plus r. Substitute the value and calculate it. We will get 4 point square approximately because it is in the decimal. So in this simple way we can calculate the values. Now find the LSA, that is CSA, of the closed cylindrical petrol storage tank of diameter 4.2 and the height is 4.5. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So what we have to do here first, as for the first one we have to calculate CSA. Now total steel required means we have to calculate the TSA of the cone. Okay, so let's see. CSA of the area of the storage tank is 2 pi r h. Substitute the value of r and h. We will get it as 59.4 meter square. TSA of the cone is, substituting value and using the formula 2 pi r h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 and substitute the value, calculate it, you will get 87.112 meter square. Now this is the total area of the tank, but some area is used and wasted while making the tank. So this is TSA of the tank plus wasted, that gives you the actual steel required to make actual area of the steel. So that we will take it as a x. Now the wasted steel is 1/12 of total. So 1/12 of x means x upon 12. So area of the steel used in tank is nothing but the total, that's minus wasted, means x upon 12. So that is 11 upon 12 x. But this is equal to 87.12. So equal, substitute the value, put the equality sign. This is also 11 upon 12 is also the 11 upon 12 x is also the area of the steel used in tank, and 87.12 is also the area of the steel used to make tank. So both are equal. Substitute the value, calculate the value of x. So total steel actually required 95.04 meter square. See the question, read the question carefully. You see the frame of the lampshade and it is to be covered with the decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter 20 cm, height 30 cm. A margin 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom. So we have to find out how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So here r is, that is diameter 20, so radius is 10 cm, height is 30 cm. Circumference of the base is 2 pi r, that is 20 pi. We will put pi as it is. At the end we will calculate it. Height of the frame is 30 cm. Height of the cloth needed for covering the frame is 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that is total 35 cm. Area, that is breadth of the cloth, is circumference of the base of the frame, that is 20 pi, and therefore area of the cloth required for covering the lampshade is length into breadth because it is rectangular shape. So 35 into 20 pi, substitute the values, we will get 2200 centimeter square. So this is the total cloth required to cover the lampshade. Now here read the question carefully. The pen holder is in the shape of the cylinder and total competitors are 35. So we have to make how much cardboard is required. So the pen holders, they have one base. So these pens are open at one end. So total surface area is nothing but the 2 pi RH. CSA plus area of the base only, because it is open at one end. So substitute the value here. We will get the area of one pen holder. So total pen holders are 35. Multiply by 35. The answer is 7920. So this much cardboard is required to make the 35 pen holders. In this simple way, dear students, we have to calculate the answers by using the different. Remember, you have to learn by heart all the formulas which are related with this lesson.
Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.